Hello everyone, my name is Joanna Christabel and today I'm going to critically review an app named Places for my assessment. So Places is an app that was created to be a map or a guidebook for finding good places to eat or drink in the UAE, especially in Dubai. It helps discover restaurants, cafes, and other food related spots by using your location to find places that are near you, and it also gives you the relevant information that you would need to find a place, such as the reviews, the photos, and the menu. And it also has a smart search method to be able to help you decide on where you would want to go based on your preferences. So let's talk about the architectural components. As you can see, it is quite easy to interact with the app's platform. It includes all of the vital elements that an app like this would require, such as map views, the smart search bar that is powered by AI, and user profile or account management. And for all of these functions that or all of these elements, the developers would need to implement certain coding functions that would involve storing and receiving information about these restaurants and providing real-time location and to store images, to name a few. In terms of functionality of the elements of the app, it has very useful functions for the app, such as providing with the restaurant's location, as you can see, and menu with options and pictures for ordering food online, the search bar based on personal preferences, which allows users to save and favorite the restaurants, and also the option to write reviews. And so far, the app doesn't seem to have any issues with its design or performance, and all of the information that is stored seems up to date. Another thing would be that there is no unnecessary ads like most apps like these would do. So that is another great function that they have added in here. So, from what we've seen so far, the app has a touch of simplicity and modernism to its design, and its color scheme helps to reinforce its brand identity. It has a well balanced layout with a clear visual hierarchy, and all of its icons are appropriately sized to make the app more visually appealing. The pictures of restaurants, food, and location are very high quality as well, and its entire design can be summed as quite modern yet user friendly. All of its design qualities, as you can see, has been strategically used to highlight its functionality and send a clear message across to its user. The real question about all of this is, does this app actually meet its purpose? So, to do that, I have decided to test this app myself by going to a place that I searched up. And I searched up affordable cafes in Cornish Dera just to test it out. And the search engine is quite quick, it works very efficiently, and it has found 9 matching places that meet the requirement that I have typed in, and they all look very interesting and very great. But the place that I picked really caught my attention, and it's this cafe named Katrina. So I added it in my favorites, and everything is so far working very smoothly. There has not been any flaw in its functionality. Everything is already given, the description of the place, the directions, and it's all been arranged in a very orderly fashion. And even the menu, it gives the list of ingredients, the name, and the price, which is a very good detail, and it's a very important function, I would say, for an app like this. So it made it very convenient for me to look up everything in just one app instead of going to multiple. As you can see, the pricing is quite good. It is very affordable. Unlike a lot of places in Dubai, it isn't as pricey as the rest of them. So it has met the qualification that it needed. So I visited the cafe and it was beyond my expectations. They had a wide selection of sweets and drinks, all for a very low price of being very high quality in terms of taste and enjoyment. And thanks to the app places, I was able to try out a new place and I had fun doing it. This is an app I can see myself using a lot in the future and I would recommend it to others. So does this app achieve its purpose? Yes, it does.